Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drive CLA 250 Easy Guide. Begin by adjusting the seat and mirrors for clear lines of sight and comfortable reach to pedals. Ensure the steering wheel height allows wrists to rest on top with elbows slightly bent. Fasten your seatbelt and confirm the parking brake is applied. Start the engine and scan the dashboard for warning lights, then release the parking brake smoothly and prepare to move. Hands at 9 and 3 feel natural and steady in the CLA 250, so steer with calm, deliberate motions. Apply throttle gently when accelerating to keep traction and a smooth ride, especially in wet conditions. Brake progressively and anticipate stops to maintain passenger comfort and conserve brake life. Use engine braking on downgrades by easing off throttle and downshifting when appropriate. Practice these inputs in a quiet parking lot before driving busy roads. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy car videos for you. Quick recommendation. On longer drives, I pack meals in leak-proof containers that save time and reduce spills, perfect for highway snacks and family trips. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want to try them. Thanks for your support, and now let's get back to the video. Take advantage of the CLA 250 safety aids like blind spot monitoring and lane assist, but always verify visually before lane changes. On highways, using adaptive cruise control helps maintain a consistent speed and safe distance from cars ahead, reducing fatigue. For parking, rely on the rear camera and sensors while turning your head to confirm surroundings, especially in tight spots. Regularly scan mirrors and the road ahead to anticipate traffic flow and hazards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.